Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and bell for notifications. It's July the 31st, 2019. Tomorrow it will be 1 year since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. Let's take a look at this top tray. I'm expecting it to be pretty much all castings now. Looks like there's still a few worms in there. Must be some food left. Yep, still quite a few. Thought I'd just seen a cocoon. Covered it up. Dang it. Alright, check out the next tray. Alright, middle tray. Bunch of castings on top. Looks like they're making some good work. Was coffee grounds and filters. There's a filter right there. Got worms all around it. So I'll turn this up a little bit. Nothing too major. Level it back out. Check out the bottom tray. Same thing on it. Got castings on top. Moisture feels great. There's kind of worms just kind of scattered throughout. Haven't fed in a couple weeks. Letting them work through that carbon and coffee grounds. And the bottom is completely dry. A few worms on the ladder. Now we'll take a look in our bin that's mainly castings. I did not put bait cups back in this week. I don't really suspect there to be a whole lot of worms left in here. I'm sure there's a few. Just kind of turn that up. Nope, I don't see any worms. Sure there's some in there somewhere. That's mainly castings. It smells delightful, earthy. And this is our bin that's been going a little bit longer. Formerly been the holding bin. There's still a good amount of worms in here, but just letting what's left work through what's in here. It does feel a little dry. Might go ahead and add some water. Give it a little spritz. There's still quite a few worms. Just here and there, spread out. Smells good. And our main bin here, we had most of our watermelon over here last week. That was part of the bait cup there. That's where all them worms came from. And I don't see the watermelon. I bet it's all gone. Well, there's the skin left from that rind. Quite a few worms in that. Potato hadn't started breaking down yet. Not many worms in the center. I did add some more watermelon rind to this side over here. See if they moved in on it yet. Oh yeah. Quite a few there. Bunch of red mites have found it. A few on that and the mites. There we go. There's quite a few. So they have found the watermelon. They like it. Oh yeah. See where they're just wearing it out. Yep, they kind of spread out on that watermelon. I put, I think, 5 or 6 pieces in there, so cover them back up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray down these bins, give them a little extra moisture off camera. We'll take a look in on our which worms reproduce best. Red wigglers, hadn't checked on them all week. The red wigglers were the only ones I kept going. It's the ones I got the most of, I'd say. Probably need to give them some food. I don't see any food. There's a cocoon right there. Yeah, that must have been an old one. Yep, just kind of spread out, so I need to give them some food too. Little three-way action. In the past year, I'd say they've probably tripled in population. Go ahead and give them a feeding and a little moisture off camera. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.